Understanding pay for delete and credit repair. The practice known as pay for delete involves negotiating with a creditor or collection agency to remove a negative item from your credit report in exchange for payment. It is a common strategy for those seeking to improve their credit score, but it operates in a gray area of credit reporting. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, requires that information on credit reports be accurate. There is no law preventing a data furnisher, such as a collection agency, from removing accurate information from your report as part of a settlement negotiation. The primary obstacle is policy, not law. The major credit bureaus have guidelines for data furnishers that prohibit pay for delete arrangements. These are industry guidelines, not laws, and they are enforced through the agreements between credit bureaus and the companies that report to them. Original creditors, such as major banks or credit card companies, almost never agree to delete accurate, verifiable information. Their contracts with credit bureaus and their own compliance policies strictly prohibit it. The most likely entities to agree are third-party collection agencies or debt buyers. For them, the primary goal is to collect a debt, and they often have more flexibility to negotiate the terms of removal. The process requires a strategic approach. Before any payment is made, a written agreement must be secured. This agreement should explicitly state that in exchange for a specific payment, the collector will request that the credit bureaus delete the negative entry from your report. Never make a payment based on a verbal promise. An alternative or complementary strategy is to file a formal dispute with the credit bureaus. If the collection agency does not respond to the credit bureau's verification request within 30 to 35 days, the negative item must be removed. This procedural requirement can sometimes be leveraged in negotiations. It is often more effective to dispute the item's validity directly with the bureaus first, as some collection agencies may not respond to the verification request, leading to automatic removal.